Hello everyone, my name is Neil and welcome to our exam exercise walkthrough from esl-lounge.com. Today we're working through C1 Advanced, Open Cloze exercise number CAE020. Let's start with question number 1. It's something of a mystery how ancient bridge builders succeeded blank spanning this wide river. The correct answer is in. The collocation succeeded in is commonly used to describe achieving something. For example, she succeeded in passing the exam. This phrase highlights the achievement and effort involved in the task. Moving on to question number 2. Are you sure you want to go on holiday to that part of the world considering all the problems blank are right now? The correct answer is there. There are is a common phrase used to state the existence of something. For example, there are many challenges ahead. This phrase sets the context for the problems being mentioned. Next up, question 3. Life hasn't been found on any planet in the solar system, blank from our own. The correct answer is apart. Apart from is a common phrase used to exclude something from a general statement. For example, apart from the weather, everything was perfect on the holiday. This phrase indicates that Earth is the exception. Here's question 4. The city of Istanbul in Turkey was known blank Constantinople until the early 20th century. The correct answer is as. The collocation known as is used to indicate a name or title that something or someone was previously known by. For example, Stephen was known as Stefan when he went to university. On to question 5. In blank to accompany car and large annual bonuses, we are also offering help in finding a new house. The correct answer is addition. In addition to is a phrase used to introduce additional items. For example, in addition to going shopping, they also went to a restaurant to have lunch. This phrase shows that extra benefits are being offered. Question 6. The difficulty with blank he managed to speak showed how upset he was. The correct answer is which. The difficulty with which is a formal way to describe the manner in which something is done. For example, the ease with which she solved the problem was impressive. This phrase highlights the struggle and emotional state. Question 7. I love Lebanese food, but what's the country itself blank? Tell me about the weather, for example. The correct answer is like. What's it like is a phrase used to ask for a description of something. For example, what's the movie like? This phrase is asking for more details about Lebanon. And now the last one, question 8. Blank deep is that river. Do you think we'll need a boat to cross it? The correct answer is how. How deep is a common phrase used to ask for the measurement of depth. For example, how deep is that swimming pool? This phrase is inquiring about the depth of the river. That's all today from esl-lounge.com. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.